spinning, I think, but I'm not sure.
I can't tell.
It's either moving or it's
cutting.
Spinning.
Yeah.
Yep, that has no, it doesn't want to come out. So it might be all Loctited in there, I don't know. The problem is if I heat it up, I gotta pull it out of the machine and I lose my center, so.
Well, at this point, we can just drill and do a time cert.
It should be enough that it would unscrew out of there, but that was a lot of torque I put on that. But it didn't want to come out, obviously. You don't know what they did. If it's just got Loctite on it or if it's got something else going on. Not big enough to go to the next bike. I can go to the bigger one. Okay. We'll go ahead and say that it's going to come out. Keep it out of the machine. I just have to recenter it back if I got to put it back in here. Air leak. Just put it back in the machine. I'll use the same way I did it before to repeat pretty close. So I can drill the hole again if I need to.
Yeah.
We'll have to drill it out and try to catch a tap on it. If that doesn't work, we'll have to just take it all out and put a coil on it.
You like helicoils over time certs?
Yes.
Because the time certs snap, you said?
Yeah, they tend to be a problem for me. Appears to be a little chilly around here today. Okay, get out of my way. Unless you want your underwear on fire.
Is that an offer?
You're the one in line of fire, you tell me.
Why?
Always hit the outside of the case first.
Oh.
It doesn't clap. I guess I have broken case before.
Wow. I thought we're making it kosher. I think that's how you kosherize a kitchen.
I don't know. Got kosher, just put $100 bill on next to it. You know how it works?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Oh yeah, oil just bubbled in a second.
It's getting hot. Running the oil. So I see oil coming out, that's 450, 500 degrees. That's pissing out of bad work.
What was the hand feel? You can tell? Oh, no, I meant like, what was the temperature based on the hand feel?
How does it feel?
Oh, I see, there's one.
yet, so I know it's not very hot.
It's smoking, Tatro.
Good, man. That's all the oils are burning. All the cleaning side is starting to smoke. Burn, that's good. Got the 400 degrees up right there.
Probably. That was a nice sizzle.
You got spit on your finger, or is that just
That was
residue?
spit. I'm just a greasy dude.
There it goes.
Yeah. So with a couple simple tools, it's easy to remove.
I think it definitely had Loctite on it.
Yeah.
Kind of smells like a little bit.
Yeah.
It's different than when it's dry, though. Different type of smell to it, but it's got something on it. Threads don't look like they're damaged too bad, so that's a plus.
Damn, that got hot.
At least it's pretty warm.
Yeah. It's like a little campfire. I like it. Is this how you stay warm in the winter? You just warm one of these up, throw them under your blanket before you go to bed?
Yeah.
Like those rocks they used to do back in the day.
Sticking your underwear.
Yeah.
That's how you do it.
Nice and warm.
I recommend you leave your gloves on though and pick it up.
Yeah.
It might be warm.
Just in case.
Yeah, it'll warm it up a little bit. Yeah.
Completo.
Out of the way.
Ooh.
Might burn yourself.
I'm not burning myself.
You don't have Kevlar gloves on like I do, so it's warm.
Kevlar, Schmevlar. I have Balkan skin.
Nice.
Born in hellfire.
Enough power.
Uh-oh.
So you unplug my plug over here.
I did that?
I was over here last time. Stepped on the cord.
I can cook an egg on this thing.
Yes, it's hot. It's warm.
At least they didn't cross-thread it.
Hopefully not.
Well, I can see the threads are good.
So I use a plug tab instead of a...
Why not a chaser?
I don't have chaser tabs. I did buy some somewhere. I just don't know where they're at. I never use them.
Yeah, they're so loose that they're almost useless sometimes.
It's definitely cutting.
That first thread is questionable.
It's cutting. Yeah, it's definitely screwed up. It's like there's a piece of something still in there.
Yeah, the shiny.
Mm-hmm. It's going to cut. I have to give a coil it. I'm letting it self-center, so
Oh, there you go.
it's centered.
Is it still cutting or just tight?
It's cutting. Well, it's tight. It's cutting a little bit. It's gonna be a little bit of fuzz on there, but it ain't gonna be a lot of metal coming off. It's not like it's cutting a new thread. It's,
Yeah. Realigning everything.
it's just cutting all the crap out of it. Not much came out, but a little bit.
Yucky.
Definitely got a lot of crap in those threads.
Mm.
It's not enough to really build up any, but it's definitely...
Is that not hot?
It's definitely stuffing. No, the tap's not hot.
Oh.
At least my fingers didn't feel it. Hell, half the damn nerves of the fingers are all gone anyway, so... Still warm.
She's so toasty.
Yeah, it's still above 250 probably.
Is that still egg temp?
No,
No.
it's up there. It's a couple hundred degrees. Cooling down. Cold in here. Definitely feel the heat radiating off.
Yeah. What's the? Is there a bonus? Is there a reason why it has only 2 grooves instead of the 4 traditional 4
On what?
on the tap?
You mean what's a 2 flute tap?
2 flute? Is that the term?
Yep, I got 2 flute, 3 flute, 4 flute.
What's the benefit of a 2 flute? There's bigger area to collect larger chunks.
It's stronger.
Stronger, so they don't snap.
But it has to be. It doesn't center up as well. Yeah, but there's always an excuse why you make things. So, but you can see it's hot. See it's smoking.
Yeah.
It's definitely warm.
Smoking.
Yeah, it's probably about 200. Usually when you're smoking like that, it's 300 degrees, but it didn't feel like it's that hot over here.
You just pressed my hand into.
Yeah, but I can hold my hand on there a little bit.
Yeah, but you pressed mine into there.
It's hot. You don't hold it very long.
I can hold it long.
Sure you can.
Probably 10 seconds.
Like half a second?
Yeah.
Quarter of a second?
Yeah.
Put these on, you can hold it longer.
Perfect. This is Kevlar, you said?
Yes, yes, yeah. Put it on there. You feel it. Block the heat.
That's cool.
But these rags here are plastic, they melt.
So don't do that.
Cotton rags you can put against them and pick stuff up.
Yeah.
But those rags you can't.
Polyurethane or something?
Yeah, these are Kevlars. They're cut resistant.
Oh, that's cool.
But they're real thin so you can feel stuff.
Yeah.
Now obviously when they're all full of oil and shit, they burn you because
It heats up, yeah.
But I can pick it up. Obviously when you get to parts you're missing, it hurts. I find those parts all the time. Alright, so this is all nice and toasty. So we gotta go find a bolt and see if we can find a bolt that fits in there.
Bolt.
5/16 bolt floating around.
Bam. No, that's big.
Like a 38.
Yeah. No.
There's 3/8 there.
Yeah, I see it.
Alright, we're good.
Alright, close it up.
Yep, we'll be back.